In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva design as PNG. If you're wrapping up a project and want a crisp, shareable image for social media, a presentation, or a website, exporting as PNG is a great choice because it preserves quality and looks sharp across devices. First, open your design in Canva. Head to canva.com in your browser and open the project you want to save. Give it a second to load fully so all elements and images appear correctly in the editor. Make sure you're looking at the exact version you want to export, with any last-minute edits already in place. Next, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Share. In that menu, select Download. Canva keeps the download option under Share, so even though it might feel a bit hidden, that's the right place to access your file-saving options. When the download panel opens, choose PNG as the file type. You'll see a file type drop-down. Click it and select PNG from the list. PNG is ideal if you want a high-quality image that looks clean in posts, emails, or on a website. It's widely supported and keeps your design looking true to what you see on screen. If your design includes multiple pages, decide whether you want all pages or just specific ones. Look for the option to select pages and choose exactly what you need. This is helpful if you're working on a multi-slide presentation or a carousel and only want to export a single slide or a subset for review. Now you're ready to export. Click Download, and Canva will process your design and save it as a PNG to your device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight to your Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location. If your design is large or has many pages, give it a moment to finish. You can confirm it worked by opening the file from your Downloads list and checking that everything looks as expected. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. The exported file name usually matches your design's title in Canva, so naming your project clearly can make it easier to find later. If you don't see the file appear, check your browser's Downloads tray or your device's default Downloads folder. And if you're exporting multiple pages, remember you can repeat the same process to save different subsets as separate PNG files. That's it. Open your design, share, download, select PNG, choose pages if needed, and download. You're all set to use your image wherever you need it.